Trackglaze Vertical is a secondary glazing system for heat and noise insulation that uses vertical sliding panels. Adhesive double tracks are fitted on all four sides within an actual or fabricated window cavity with one pane in each track. The components that seal the window when closed are hidden within the tracks and behind the centre handles, leaving the join between the two panes visible, which you can install to align with the outer window. The system uses gravity along with simple stop strips that push onto the side tracks and lock the panels in place to prevent them from moving. When the stop strips are removed, the pane needs to be held whilst being moved until it's either resting in the bottom track or propped open again. If not supported, it can drop under its own weight. For a small window, this is not a big risk because of the friction within the tracks. However, as the system can be used to insulate very large 1.2 metre wide windows like this, the results of dropping a pane can be more dramatic. That pane was perfectly stable using stop strips, but clearly this would be an issue on a large window in a house with, for example, young or mischievous children. So if you have any reservations at all, we suggest you look instead on our magnetic systems, such as Magnet Glaze or Magnet Glaze Extreme, with the sash heavy-duty jointing kits. Details of these and all Easyfix secondary glazing systems are on our website tubeway.co.uk and our online purchasing site secondarydiyglazing.com, where you can also buy cut-to-size polycarbonate panels. Trackglaze Vertical uses 4mm thick panels, so when choosing, don't choose glass for safety reasons, as it's twice the weight of plastic and offers no practical advantages for this system. We recommend polycarbonate panels over acrylic or perspex because of the significant extra strength of polycarbonate. When the top pane is closed, it needs to be propped on both sides using the stop strips. These are cut to the full length required and pushed onto the vacant track edge so that the strips are not relying solely on friction to prevent pane movement. You can also lock the bottom pane by using stop strips on the track edges above. For the purposes of this video, we use some small pieces of the stop strip just to speed things up. On this sample window, the top panel is in the front track where it's usually more convenient. Imagining a sash window behind it, we access it by first dropping the top pane, removing the stop strips. Now, to unlock the sash and open the top of it, you have clear access. To open the bottom window instead, you need to raise the pane in the back track and lift both panes, and then prop them open with stop strips to give you both hands on the outer window. To close and lock both windows, simply reverse the steps. Remember that the panels are reversible in that you can swap front for back without losing functionality or affecting the cosmetic appearance, and you can do this retrospectively if required. Each Trackglaze Vertical kit is for a single window, maximum 2 metres high by 1.2 metres wide. The kits have either white or brown components containing adhesive tracks for all sides, full width push fit handles for the top and bottom of both panes, enough adhesive bristle seal for insulating the four sides and the centre join between the panes, and 8 metres of stop strips, which are more than enough for pairs of strips of different lengths for locking closed or propping open at various heights. Trackglaze Vertical needs to be fitted into a cavity that's straight and level with a surface suitable for foam adhesive tape. It's a good insulation system for sash windows, which rarely sit in a usable cavity, so you'll need to make one by fixing battens or using our window conversion angles. These angles are also in white or brown to match Trackglaze Vertical. They're very strong, they can be screwed into place and mitered as required and as shown on this test frame. The angles can be used the other way round so that the tracks hide the screws, but this will prevent you from unscrewing without first removing the tracks. So that's the introduction to Trackglaze Vertical. How to measure up and install is covered in another video on tubeway.co.uk and secondarydiyglazing.com, where details of the window conversion angles are as well. We hope this has been interesting. Thanks for watching.